You know Zendaya, right? Amazing actress known for many major shows and movies. Well, this is her first video on YouTube from 2010, which was almost 14 years ago. It's not really in high quality though, but we're here to fix that, so let's do it. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter, and in this video series we're enhancing old videos that are historic, iconic, or from famous people. In this episode we're going to enhance the first video Zendaya has ever uploaded on YouTube. So first let's see what we need to do about it. It's obviously in low quality and was filmed in low light conditions, so it's really noisy. It was probably recorded with a computer webcam, so the resolution is low as well as the frame rate. Quite a few issues, but there is no problem at all. Download and install the UniConverter if you don't have it yet. You can do it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Once you have it installed, open it up. The video enhancer tool will be right on the home interface. Here just drag and drop your file. Now on the right side you will see the functions. There's the video enhancer that enhances the overall quality. There's the denoiser, it reduces noise. There's the video upscaler, which increases the resolution, and there's the frame interpolation feature, which increases the frame rate. For Zendaya's video, we're going to use all four of these functions. The order of the process doesn't really matter, so we're just gonna go in the order of these tools. So I'm gonna perform these one by one later, so first I want to show you how this will work. For the video enhancer and for the denoiser, you don't have additional options. You just choose them and then click on export. For the video upscaler and the frame interpolation functions, you do however. For these two functions, you can choose a 2x or 4x ratio before clicking on export. I'm going to choose 4x this time for both cases. Otherwise, all you need to do is choosing the function, selecting an output folder, and then clicking on export. In this progress window, you'll see the progress bar and a preview after the first 3 seconds of the video are processed. Then, when you're ready with one function, go back and click on Replace Files up here to import the video you've just exported, and then repeat everything until you're done. So let me do this, and then I'll see you for a before and after comparison. Okay, I'm done. Now let's see the result. This is the original video, and this is the enhanced version. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section. If you found this video interesting or helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.